The stock market is now entering my forecast window for a significant correction, which should present an opportunity to accumulate into the AI megatrend stocks, many of which have galloped ahead to new all-time highs this year, trending in the opposite direction to the much higher risk tech stocks such as those that heavily populate the media blitzkrieging Cathy Wood ARK funds, i.e. the largest holding Tesla is down 5% year to date, whilst AI numero uno Google is up 34%, which this analysis seeks to resolve in high probability buying levels in advance of an expected correction during May, a buying opportunity. And this video is an excerpt from my extensive analysis that has first been made available to patrons who support my work. So do consider becoming a patron by supporting my work. The Cathy Wood ARK bubble finally bursts. So whilst the Dow has been trading at new all-time highs, supreme media high risk tech stocks pumper ARK funds have entered into a severe bear market as ARK bubble finally bursts. Those invested in ARK funds are in for more pain over the coming weeks and months as reality catches up on the fantasy valuations that the Cathy Brigade had lifted the likes of Tesla to. In fact, in response to patron queries, I recall warning investors in ARK funds over 2 months ago in the comment sections of my AI tech stocks buying ratings, levels and valuations for March 2021 analysis. So I would not be surprised if what I warned of comes to pass, as over the decades I've seen it happen many times before. Panicking investors seeking to exit funds result in forced selling in high risk stock holdings, driving stocks and fund values sharply lower, thus resulting in more panic selling amongst investors. A death spiral to the point when funds just suspend withdrawals. Anyway, in quick technical terms, the ARK fund has fallen to support, so probably there will be a bounce of sorts from here, but that does not mean that the ARK bear market is over, let alone to expect a resumption of the rally into the February highs. So let's see if the ongoing sell-off in tech stocks can resolve in buying opportunities in AI stocks. And this video is an excerpt from my latest in-depth analysis that concludes in buying levels for AI tech stocks, buying levels and ratings, valuations and trend analysis into the market correction that was first made available to patrons who support my work. Extensive work including a look at Tesla, the Cathy Wood ARK funds crash that I've been warning against investing in due to the high risk nature of a portfolio. And then there's a whole litany of stock analysis, individual stocks covered in my portfolio from Google at the top right down to Intel and number 12, with the buying levels for all of the stocks updated of where you can achieve discounts on the current price, probable discounts, or where stocks could trade down to during the correction, as well as updating on the current state of the GPU mining free money courtesy of the Ethereum mania. And quick look at Chia if you want to crypto mine on your hard drives. This is crypto mania is getting insane. Anyway, all of this was first made available to patrons who support my work. So for immediate first access to all of my analysis and trend forecasts, then do consider becoming a patron by supporting my work for just $3 per month. And my analysis of scheduled analysis includes more high risk tech stocks that should be coming in about a week's time. Basically condensing down roughly 300 stocks I've been looking at over the past couple of months into a dozen that I would personally invest in for the long run. And a Bitcoin trend forecast update, a look at UK house prices, and a piece that I've been working on for quite a while on how to get rich that is approximately 70% complete. Then further schedule is on the US dollar and British pound, and gold and silver, which I've still to begin. So do consider becoming a patron by supporting my work for just $3 per month, and do remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel as we defend ourselves, protect ourselves from the rampant money printing inflation by the central banks. Insane money printing as though it's not going to feed through into wage and price inflation. Big inflation is coming, as I've been flagging for over 6 months, more like a year now. That's why I was saying last year, if you're thinking of buying big ticket items, do it now before the price hikes, which have transpired. You know, I bought a ARKG 7 for £340. Current price on Amazon is, was it $565, and similar for lots of other tech items I bought. For instance, the components in my PC that I ordered in January and got delivered in March was £3,100. Current price of the components is over £4,000. Crazy, the inflation is here, and it is accelerating regardless of what the indices say. So protect yourselves by investing in assets that are leveraged to inflation, and AI tech stocks are leveraged to inflation and are about to get discounted. So do subscribe to my YouTube channel for such analysis, and do consider becoming a patron. Cryptomania, forget Dogecoin. Today I'm going to be mining budgie coin. What you need is a budgie. Just need one budgie to start crypto mining with budgie coin. Ooh, that's an angry bird. Eh? You're angry today, Mr. Green. So this is how you mine budgie coin. Get rich, get Dogecoin. Right, we need to grab that bougie. Yeah, it's a bougie coin, not budgie coin. Bougie. Come here, bougie. I need you. Hey, what are you trying to bite me for? We need a bougie. Take my bougie coin. There you go. Got a couple of bougies. Which one's more profitable? Green bougie or the blue bougie? I'm not sure at the moment. I have to check the exchange rate. Definitely the green bougie is more noisy, more aggressive. It's more aggressive to mine with the green bougie. Okay, so let's start mining with the blue bougie, the bougie coin, the blue bougie coin. Once you get one bougie, the others will come.